Yo, what is going on, y'all?
Really?
Early morning shit. It is your boy Rish, and today is just another vlog, another video. If you checked out the last videos, got the motor on, the engine stand, we're gonna be tearing away at that soon. Kinda wanna start getting the rack and pinion in. If you guys watched one of the other videos, I was taking out the rack and pinion and that side mount or whatever the frick that is. I snapped the 2 bolts, bought drill bits and all that, spent all this money, and someone left a comment saying that you could just snap them things off because they're like not really welded too good on there. So I just went and got a pry bar with a 17, and lo and behold, it snapped clean off with like no effort. I do that with the other one. I guess I just got more tools, and just in case I need to drill anything, I got the stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna take out the other one and, you know, just do what we do. And shout out to the person who mentioned this. I forgot your username. So I got a different socket on there. It's a 12 point. It is a 7/16, I think. That fit. Let's try this out. So it's gonna do the same thing now. And there we go. Look at that. Snaps clean off with literally like no effort and pops right out. You guys can see right there. Snap those clean off. Now I'm just gonna have to get a bolt and nut replacement. So as you can tell, you guys know I'm Detroit axle. This is the rack and pinion. I'm gonna try to put it in now, slide it in, and start putting pieces to the puzzle. Do what we do, I guess. Wasn't necessarily packaged the greatest, but I mean, gotta reuse the boot and this thing. I think maybe it's easier to put it in from the inside when this is already there. Now, time to attempt putting this thing in. With the rack and pinion, it's definitely really good to have 2 people, because you're gonna be fighting a lot. We chose a really hot day. I'm sweating balls. Shout out to my girl. She made it easy. She's on the inside right there because I got no engine. And I think I got this thing.
You gotta pick it up more and maneuver it.
Got it almost all the way in. Bolt bag. See where goes what. I'm going to get a little cup, toss these rusted bolts into some oil and let them sit for a little while, maybe till tomorrow or something, then get back at it, because I don't want to put these rusty ass f***ers through some shit and have more issues. As you can tell, I was starting to get a little frustrated there at the end. As soon as I stopped recording, I'm like, all right, let's try this one more time. Took it out, we turned it a little bit different way, and I was prying, and we just got it to go. So yeah, thankfully that f***ing worked, and we weren't struggling for like 30 minutes to do that. It was more so like 5-10ish. That worked out pretty well. I'm gonna let those bolts sit in for a little while so I could break up that rust, and yeah, hit back this tomorrow and carry on with this vlog. So
Going to the gym, so
yeah, and I'm about to go hit the gym because I didn't go in the morning because I started early trying to do some shit. I'd be trying to hit the gym daily. That's why I go like early in the morning. I'm gonna see how it is right now and go and enjoy the f***ing gym. Do what I do. Try to get big, you know, big Rish. Big Rish. I just gotta hit the cardio again.
Really?
That shit came out kind of quick, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. So early morning shit. I'm about to go to Ace Hardware again. Ooh, that reminds me, I gotta go get those bolts things so I can figure out what size I need real quick. So the 2 bolts that snapped on me and were seized on the inside of the threading, 2 14mm, and I don't know, maybe like 70-80 millimeter, maybe not even that long, but it was only that long because of that threading portion it had welded on. But I snapped it off, so it doesn't really necessarily have to be that long, and I just gotta buy a nut. And we gotta get some breakfast too, because you know, we gotta get the proteins and the gains in. I'm gonna hit the gym later because I did not go this morning. What up, what up, what up? What is poppin', guys? This is Monday morning. Got the rack and pinion in. I started putting a little bit of things in and tightening stuff up. Stripping down the motor is probably gonna be next. The new rack and pinion in. Got it in for the most part. All I have to really put on is the heat shield that goes all the way back there on the headers and shit. Got everything pretty much tightened down. I tightened down the subframe on this side, and all that's really left is that top portion over there. The shaft part from the inside and the steering wheel, whatever, I have to connect the column back together. Hopefully it doesn't unalign itself too much. I'm not too sure, like people are saying to like maybe mark it or like lock the steering wheel or something. Probably gonna be leaving the inside right now because I have to move the engine and all that, even though that's not a lot of work. Car's not moving anywhere, guys. As you can tell, the motor's not in there, so I could do that a little later on. But the rack and pinion for the most part is in. Pretty sure it's in how it should be. I don't really understand how any other way it could really go in. So with that being said, I'll bring you guys more updates on what I do next. Start stripping this motor down. I need to start doing that so we could get the block to JP pretty soon. Trying to order parts. I ordered the Type S pump. It's already machined for the K24 block and it's a whole kit and whatnot. Happy about that. I ran me $500 from HPT Auto or something like that. I gotta order pistons. I really don't know what compression rate I need to go, especially that I'm going boosted down the line. I'm gonna be NA for a little while, so I'm really like, I don't know what to do. But I wanna buy stuff like this week because we have no sales tax. So I bought the pump for $500, free shipping, and no sales tax, which would have been like $50 or something. So yeah, I need to figure things out and get to it. Update. Didn't really get too much farther than where I left off before, but I started cleaning the engine bay a little bit, degreasing it and whatnot. I don't have the greatest cloths or anything right now and cleaning material. Drop your comments down below what you think is the best engine bay detailer and cleaner and degreaser, whatever, because I'm cleaning it all, like the subframe all right there. I started, obviously all the paint where I can, getting right here, all right there, all right there. So I'm gonna be doing that, and in the meantime, I even clean like the heat shield or whatever, because I want things to look pretty, you know, I have a nice engine bay and whatnot. I have all the space, so why not do it? And still some time. I'll be stripping that down next video and cleaning this in between stuff too. So yeah, leave a thumbs up, guys, and you know, drop your comments down below. What you like to see, what you don't like to see. Subscribe, join the Rich Gang, live life, bless up, live rich.